A press conference was held today at the Congress Bhavan, wherein the working president of the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, Pynshngain N Syiem, had briefed media persons on the recent issues related to the MDA government. The Indian National Congress Party in the state has also demanded an independent inquiry to investigate into the collapse of the dome of the new Meghalaya Legislative Assembly building at Mawdiangdiang in East Khasi Hills. Pynshngain N Syiem, while speaking about the sudden collapse of the structure, expressed shock at how the PWD building had selected BRC Limited for taking up the subcontractual work on the construction of the dome, of which it has no experience in the construction of such structures. Also, Pynshngain N Syiem said that as per information received, out of a total sanctioned amount of Rs 214 crores, Rs 170 crores has been released for the construction of the new assembly building, which points to the fact that the tender has been revised. If such be the amount allocated for the construction of the building, the government should have selected the best company, stated Pynshngain N Syiem.
Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee Nisukya Shibunya Kajire Baka Ega Bajia Maning Dasi Hakabaga dome Jonga new building Jonga Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Kala half Kabang isul mo akalong ba Hadin bala call tender ya kanika building Jonga Assembly Nagalyang kanika BRC Limited kepada ka subcontract kadika wini company ka baya simbenta haka orfatenda but gila sha rejected namar ba himdon experience haka jiri banshna yogum but himdon experience ka babon na se building ki bagum gini kini ka basno mo kolong ba ka company UP kepada ka RNN Limited habala koli ketendara ka dohor ke bachis pas option kro ka bathap duna pan chis par view kro ya pher khat phra kro ne still consider ye ka to kamli lai namar bakadi ka bakut minimum rate tenre ke balmo kumno padya ka PWD building ka sha ya ka BRC Limited bahkan trace of contract habakan dan experience barisnai bakum gini structure kata kadi kawai ke jingkeli kebaar kalong ba nakayis pa arpunyo kro ngayon iya ka jing I statement nakaliang ka hindi building lesson kabagi ong bala apply bisa chispa new kro naga arspa kharso kro ilaga koli ka tendar chispa sobsan kro Latep la ayah beriu bat aku pergi ke bah put sispar new crore. Last year sispar new crore. Kamu mau ada revise ya kan itu? Ya tenders. Mentang apa it is more than the evidence. Pila ada katang kau ke building ke collapse. Katang kau ke gidon ki dark kitchen lah seng lah manong. Kadai panong ba empat adon agensia. STBT ke Polshan, bridge kita kolaps tentang kata uslap, jadi jadi kita bridge yang tiap bypass Moyong, ini baru kau gideki evidence. But apa gideki evidence ngas ngubah kadang sorkar haji sisa, lade ber step down suah, kumbuki in charge lagi beper, nang ba ayla de inquiry kan bagan tim bagan inquiry, nang ban lap ya kan haji sisa.
While referring to Speaker Mawdiangdiang's statement on the proof needed for blaming the MDA government of corruption, the MPCC working president Pynshngain N Syiem said that the collapse of such structures in the past few days is evident enough of the corrupt activities of the government of the day. Syiem added that should the MDA government not pay heed to the demands of the party, it will go ahead and expose the corruption that is alleged to be rampant within the MDA coalition.
Lada kita sih gitu ki collapse material. Nadu ka quality jung ki material but ka mixture jung ki different component. Ngathai pin na bi syah ngata kan kham sai ka jubab. Number api ada ka quality kamlong means Apa mungkin tamat pat le ngim le kat kum ka jimbalut ka barang labu ang. Kalau begini jing jabro ngin sa expose. How pai ba aman lagi platform baru pai ba decide. Kaya iba di banle haji di bakani ka sorta. Mentang atrai it is more than the evidence. Pila ada katang ka way ka building ka collapse. Katang ka way ka gidon gi dark kitchen la seng la manong. Kadai panong ba empat adon ejisya. STBT ka bala pausha. Bridge ki ba collapse tang nakataw uslap. Ajing jia ko ka bridge sang tiapo bypass Mawdiangdiang. Kini ibarat koi gidai ki evidence. But apa gidai ki evidence ngas ngau ba kadai ka sarkar haji sisa. Lade ban step down suwa. Ki in charge ki baper. Nang ba aila de ko inquiry kai kan bagan ba team bagan inquiry nang ban lap ya ka jing sisa.